Hello guys, welcome to another segment of our Tailwind tutorial. So today we are going to be building a real world project. Alright, so this is the folder. We just extracted it, and let's look at the preview of what we are trying to build. So this is just a social link, very simple and basic stuff that we're going to use to like practicalize everything we've learned. So these are like the this is when we hover on each of the buttons. This is how it's going to look like on a mobile device. So you should know that what we are trying to make it mobile responsive as well. Alright, so first things first, we need to split our screen. Take our assets, the images that we need. We need to drag and drop it into our folder. Great. Now what do we need to do next? We need to check our style guide. So we need to take our style guide here so that we can create our custom styles in our Tailwind CSS. So this is going to be for the mobile breakdown, 375 pixel, and these are the colors, these are the font size, and these are the font families. Alright, so come to our Tailwind, and we are just going to write our root here. We are trying to create these colors. Okay, so these are custom styling that we're trying to create. So for the green, we copy this and we paste it here. Same thing for the white. These are the HSL values. Just copy, paste. Okay, let's just copy everything. Why not just copy everything and we just edit it? So just copy everything and try to edit everything. For the gray 700, this is going to be gray 700. Add a semicolon at the end. Okay, gray 800. Okay, add the semicolon at the end. Gray 900 now. Okay. Okay, so the next, now what do we next do? We check our font size. Okay, so font size is going to be 14 pixels, I think. Yeah. Alright, okay, let's put out, great. Now next thing to do is the font family. So this font family, we just write our font family. Font family wise for this place is Inter. So use what? Inter sans serif. Okay, sans serif, great. Okay, this is it. The font weight, so we have 400, we have 600. Let me check. Okay, great. 400, 600, 700, great. Okay, so we just need to go and check. We need to bring the CDN, get the CDN from Google Font. So we are going to copy the code. Just click on copy code, paste it in your HTML head, paste it here. Okay, so we're ready to go now. So our font family is right into our directory, into our project now. Okay, so this is it. This is everything we copied and pasted here. Great. Okay, so now we need to write in our layer base. Okay, for Tailwind not to delete our custom styles. We've done something like this. I think that was like our last video. Okay, so this is it. So we just need to look at the styles that we're going to do, like for the background, the text color and all of that. So let's try to sort everything out here. So this is everything. So let's just write it down quick. So for the background color, we're going to be calling the green. This is for the over. So because when we're going to over, we need a background color for all those divs that are down. Usually the GitHub, Frontend Mentor, LinkedIn, Twitter. When we hover on it, we need that green as well. Okay, so this we're adding our over. Next thing we should add is for the white. Okay, do we have BG white? No. Okay, so gray. So we need this gray 700. Okay, so for the background color, great, 700, gray 800, gray 800, gray 900. Okay. Yeah, I think that's it on the background. Yeah, that's it on the background. Let's go to text colors then. So text color for the green. Okay, so select the normal color here. Okay, text for the white. I think we'll hover for this for the gray. Okay, so okay, yeah, I have a text of gray color. So no, okay, sorry, it was just a mistake. Let me correct myself real quick. Let me check first. Okay, the gray 700. Yeah, that's what I needed. Add the color. You know, when I hovered on it, there is actually a green background color and a gray text. So we need the gray text. So what's over? Okay, so let's write it real quick. 700 over. I'll give it the color over. Okay, great. Okay, so that's that. Let's maximize our screen to look everything we've done so far. Okay, so yeah, this is what we're trying to look. So I think remain the font family. Yeah, font family, font size. Okay, yeah, that's it. I'm going to go for our font family real quick. Next thing, yeah. Okay, yeah, let me check. Okay, yeah, let's start. Font family, the sans serif. Okay, that's it. This is it here. This one I highlighted, so that's it. Okay, so we have it here too. Yeah, font size. Okay, so our font width first. So write our first font width, which is 400. Next font width 600. Yeah, next font width 700. Yeah. Okay, font size. Yeah, font size. Yeah, there's it. 14 pixels. 14 pixels. Oh yeah, let me correct all these ones. So I have them already. Let's recorrect it. So var width 3, var width 2, yeah, var width 1. The font family as well. Yeah, so call that font family. We've already studied up. My apologies, guys. Okay, so I think we're ready to start our project now. Yeah, so we'll link our fav icon. Yeah, we have our fav icon. Let's link it in the public folder, and this is it. Beautiful. So let's run our code. npm run dev. Yeah, let's check it in the browser. This is it. Okay, so our fav icon is working perfectly. So this is our fav icon there. Now I think we are ready to start coding. Yeah, let's start coding. So our background color, let's split the screen to see. So I think the background color is this darkest gray. Yeah, so what this we'll give it the full width first, give the full height of the screen, give the PG gray. Okay, 800, that's the darkest one, and you see this is it. So yeah, I just want to be sure I'm writing it correct. 900, great. Then give it flex. I'm trying to center the next box that I will write. And justify center, items center. Okay, so right now we'll see. Let's check it. So we have the background, the block background already. So let's write the main element. So we're just trying to make our content semantic enough, right? So here we'll give it that background that light gray background color, right? So I think 800. Okay, give it a width of 207. Okay, give it height of 80. We might change this later, so rounded corners. Okay, so we have it centered. Great. So this is perfect. This is beautiful. Okay, yeah. Now, yeah, let's start with the image. Yeah, let's start with the image. Okay, we write our figure, wrap it up in the figure, then right, give it some class. Okay, let's try to write the image for giving some styles. Yeah, let's call the image here. So the img class in the public folder actually. So yeah, public folder avatar. Great. Let's look at the image. Yeah, this is it. It's big and that's not what we want. So give it widthful, give it flex, justify, center. Yeah, so it's centered already. Okay, let's give it a height, 20 pixels. Yeah, it's really going to be small. I just want to show you. So this is it's too small. Okay, now we need to change it. Yeah, so 20 VH. See. Okay, give it item center. It's not working yet. Okay, give it 30. So let's target the image itself. Give it a width. Okay, so 1/2. That's just 1/5. Okay, is it rounded full to make it? Yeah. Okay. I think we should adjust it a little bit. Let's adjust it a little bit. Maybe 25. Let's check. Okay, yeah, beautiful, great. It's okay by me. Yeah, so we'll go to the next part, which is the header. So wrap our header here. So write our H1. Jessica Randall. Yeah, Jessica Randall. Let's write it. No. Come to R, yeah. And okay, we give it a color of white because now our background color is black, so we won't see our text. Give it center the text, center. Okay, sorry, text color, not background color. Yeah. Oh, we didn't give the text color for white. Let's add it now, custom style here. So yeah, so you see, we just called the green, we didn't call the white. Let's do that real quick. Okay, color text white. Okay, so it's working now. Alright, give it a font weight of I think, let me put it on the highest first and check. It's too much. Okay, I'll reduce it to second to the highest. Okay, so second to the highest, not bad. Yeah, so increase the font size. Okay, yeah, we are good to go now. Yeah, good to go. Okay, the next, okay, yeah, I think this is it. The next one, H2, London, United Kingdom. Give it that color. Give it the color of, what I say? Is it lemon green, right? Let's color we'll center the header here. So instead of centering all of them one after the other, and we'll give the width. Yeah, so let's cut this width as well. Let's cut the width and put it on the container. Yeah, so we don't repeat styles enough. So great. So yeah, let's give the color here text green. Yeah, you can see the font width has applied automatically. So give this one great margin button. Yeah, so we have margin button to this one because 2 of 2 remains down to paragraph because it's wrapped in. Let's just wrap it in a quote. Okay, yeah. So I want to write down front end developer and avid reader. Okay, give it a text color white. Center it first. Okay, text white. Reduce the opacity to 70 so that Okay, now this is okay. Yeah, so we're going to be looking at all these boxes now. I'm going to be looking at these boxes. So create a container for all of them. Yeah. So there's article, and we'll give this article like some styles. Give it the weight of full, give it the padding so it doesn't touch the edge. Flex, you give a flex colon, give some gap. This is what we have to do first. So let's call, we have 5 boxes here, so 5 divs. Okay, we have GitHub, yeah, we have Frontend Mentor, so Frontend Mentor. Okay, we have LinkedIn. Okay, so LinkedIn, we have Twitter, we have Instagram. Okay, so let's give the style. So give up the style once. With the background color of this lightest gray 700, AG gray 700. Okay, padding of 4. This is too much actually. I know. Okay, text white. Let's center the text to. So this is it. So you see, text rounded corners. Yeah, we need rounded corners and text center. Yeah, so it is it. We can see it is bigger than the container. It has messed everything up. So we just need to like increase the container height first. To like maybe 90 or 95 should be okay. Okay, I reduce this padding. Okay, so it's like 2. Still, I'm not convinced yet. Let me look at this. Okay, so like 3. Okay, I just need to increase the, let me make this like 95. 95, as I said, should be okay. Okay, so 95 is okay. Yeah, so cursor pointer, we need to set the cursor pointer so that it stops showing arrow. Okay, this is great. Yeah, okay, now we need to look at this hover effect. See, when hover, background color and the text color changes. Okay, so let's do that. Over BG green. Let's check. Yeah, great. Now the text color. So over over text. Okay, working great. So we'll look at the responsiveness real quick now. So we focused on this, the responsiveness. So we need to write our custom breakpoint because Tailwind has its own custom breakpoint from 640 for the SM, 768 for the MD, LG is 1024, XL is 1280, 2XL is 1500. 36 pixels. So we need to like write our breakpoint so that we need 375, but let's just approximate it to 400. So let's write our max width, right? So write our media query max width of 400 pixels, and this is how it looks on a mobile device, very messed up. So let's call the mobile size here and give it the width of like 90%, height of like 90 view height. Okay, make it important, make this guy important, and let's call this guy here. So we'll call the mobile size here. Okay, this should work. Okay, beautiful. So this is it. So you can see in less than 30 minutes we were able to build our project and make it responsive with Tailwind, no single line of CSS. Alright, so this is just the full code, and we've come to the end of this project already. So I hope this project was helpful for you to practicalize everything we've learned on Tailwind from the beginning of our course down to now. So if this course was really helpful to you, give us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and give us your honest comment. Thank you, and see you on our next course.